Have you ever gone to the bank for a loan and the interest rate felt like punishment? Or have you tried to save money for months only to get little or no returns? Now, the struggle behind that is something called MPR, Monetary Policy Rate. Don't mind my outfit today, I'm repping my Adama roots in style. Now, where I come from, we believe in making smart money decisions, and that's exactly what we're doing today. We'll break down MPR, what it means, why the CBN sets it, and most importantly, how do you make it work for you? Welcome to Most Brave. My name is Maura. MPR is the base interest rate in Nigeria. It is the minimum rate at which the Central Bank of Nigeria lends to commercial banks. Now, because it is the base rate, every other interest rate is greatly influenced by it. So think of it now, if the Oga Patapata, which is CBN, is lending at a particular rate, then you know that any other institution would lend at a higher rate. That is why other interest rates are greatly influenced by the MPR. So think of a pot of soup. When you put too much pepper, that's when MPR is high, loans become high, all of that, the soup becomes very hot, too pepperish. So the CBN sets MPR, amongst other reasons, to control inflation, stabilize the economy, and ensure financial growth. Now, ways it does that, for example, is if you want to control inflation. Remember, inflation is the prices of goods and services going up, rising, right? So what it does is it may increase MPR. So when it increases MPR, automatically the cost of borrowing becomes more expensive. So the money in circulation gradually reduces, which is supposed to affect the prices of those goods and services as they gradually also begin to reduce. So the MPR is reviewed regularly every 2 months. So CBN has MPC, Monetary Policy Committee. This committee meets every 2 months, like I said, and when they meet, they assess the economic situation and decide whether to adjust MPR or increase or decrease it, depending on what they're trying to achieve at that moment. So based on MPC's meeting last month, they maintained MPR at 27.5%. So at the current MPR, the current base rate for Nigeria right now is 27.5. Let's look at how MPR affects every Nigerian. We'll look at this in 2 examples. Example 1, loans and business owners. Let's say Chinedu runs a small import business in Lagos. He wants to take a loan to expand. If MPR goes up, banks increase interest rates, making it harder for Chinedu to afford that loan. He either delays his plans or increases his prices, affecting his customers. Now, who do you think those customers could be? Example 2, savers and salary earners. Now, take Aisha in Abuja as an example. A salary earner trying to save. If MPR is low, banks pay lower interest on savings, making Aisha's money grow very slowly. But if MPR rises, savings interest rates also goes up. Great news for those who keep money in fixed deposits or treasury bills. What you should do. If MPR rises, loans become more expensive, savings interest increases. What do you do? Number 1, delay taking loans. If possible, avoid borrowing at high interest rates. Number 2, save more. Lock your money in high yield savings, fixed deposits, or treasury bills. This will be the right time to lock in all interest fixed deposit, interest on treasury bills, and lock in all those fixed rates. Number 3, invest wisely. Consider bonds or investments that benefit from high MPR, or clearly from this example, the bonds, all those interest rates that are fixed. Clearly and wisely lock in your funds in with those fixed interest rates, as they are going to be higher during high MPR. Then, second thing to do, if MPR now falls, remember, loans become cheaper, savings interest drops. So what to do? Number 1, consider taking loans. Now might be the good time for business expansion or that big purchase that you always wanted to do. Number 2, avoid low interest savings accounts. Now, instead of staying with all the fixed interest, move money into assets like stocks, real estate, or dollar investments. Number 3, negotiate loan rates. Banks may lower rates, so ask for better deals. Demand for better deals. Understanding MPR helps you to make smart financial decisions. So next time you hear CBN has adjusted or changed MPR, don't just scroll past and say this one no concern me. Think of how to adjust your savings, your loans, and most importantly, your investments. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Most Brief for more exciting money talks. And please share with anyone you know that would benefit from this video. Now, do you think the current MPR rate at 27.5% is fair? Is it really fair, or it's hurting Nigerians? Drop your comments down below in the comment sections. I want to know what your thoughts are. And until next time, you take care and keep making those smart financial moves. Bye for now.